So we're interested in the internal adaptations of muscle and tendon and how they change with biological processes such as maturation and aging, and how they're then affected in disease states. We then explore how intervention can try and improve these muscle tendon properties, and if those improvements in the internal structures can lead to improvements in whole body function during either athletic performance, simple walking and gait, mobility in daily life, or the ability to climb stairs for the elderly, which is a hazardous and demanding task. To make fundamental scientific understanding of how the internal structures work for the muscle and the tendon, we need to perform scientific measurements on a piece of equipment like an isokinetic dynamometer, using techniques such as ultrasound, electromyography to look at the electrical activation patterns within the muscle, and artificial muscle stimulation to look at the strength capabilities of not only the primary muscle we're interested in, but also the antagonist muscle that can co-activate and limit the maximum strength the person has, and how then those two muscles interact about a joint to determine the strength and power a person can produce. We then use that as an indicator of the capability of an individual, and we can relate that to the functional tasks to try and understand why a person may move in a certain way or why they may have difficulty performing a certain task. By linking the internal mechanics with the external whole body function, we can target interventions more appropriately so that we get the best outcomes. We start from basic science, understanding the internal mechanics, and then try to apply that into real life situations so that people's quality of life, independence and mobility can be enhanced. We need to consider the multidisciplinary elements that impact the actual way a person lives, and simple biomechanics on its own can't answer all of our questions. We're always looking for strength and conditioning interventions, nutrition interventions, and also considering the psychological well-being of an individual.